Hello students. In this lecture, we will start a new subject, programming using C. So first of all, we will see an introduction to C. First, we will see why need a programming language. As we all know that the computer understands only zeros and ones, but humans cannot understand these codes which are written in the form of zeros and ones. So we need a programming language that is understandable to humans also. And a computer programming language also helps in automating the tasks which are time consuming, which are error prone, which are repetitive, and which are not person dependent, etc. Programming languages also help in reorganize the processes, provide better experience as well as keeping track of historical data and analyzing data, etc. Next is history of C language. It is a general purpose language which is very closely related with Unix. And Unix is an operating system for which it was developed in Bell Laboratories. Most programs of Unix are written and run with the help of C language. In 1972, Dennis Ritchie developed the C language at AT and Bell named laboratories. Before C language, Kane Thompson developed a B language, which was influenced by a basic combined programming language, that is BPCL, which was developed by Martin Richards. Dennis Ritchie made number of advancements in B language and a new language called C language is developed. Why is C given this name? Because many ideas of C language were derived and taken from B language, and BCPL and CPL both were previous versions of B language. So, as many features came from B language, so it was named as C. More about C, or you can say features and characteristics of C. It is a structured language. Why it is called structured language? Because in this a user can divide the program into small modules or routines, and these modules perform a specific task. It is a simple and flexible language. It is a general purpose language which can be used to develop any type of program. It is a portable language because the programs written in this language for one computer can be compiled and executed on other computers also. This language supports functions. Commands provides easy readability in this language. And this language also have rich set of library functions and keywords. Library functions are basically predefined functions, or you can say inbuilt functions, which are already defined in the C libraries. And keywords are some reserved words. It is a case sensitive language, as in this language uppercase letters and lowercase letters are considered as different. For example, if we write Ram in capital letters at one place and Ram in small letters in other place, then both will be considered different. It can be used to develop operating systems. It is also known as middle level language because it supports the feature of both lower level language and higher level language. Low level languages as well as high level languages. It can be used to access the processor registers. Processor registers mean where the registers or the memory units where the processings take place. The programs written in this language are easy to debug. These all are also called features or characteristics of a C language. Thank you. Have a nice day.